In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to review MCP Tools before publishing in Lovable. First, head over to Lovable and open the project you want to review. Before you go any further, make sure Agent Integrations is enabled for that app. This is important because the MCP tools you're reviewing are managed through that part of the project settings, so if it isn't turned on, you won't be able to properly inspect what will be exposed. Once your project is open, go into the Agent Integration settings. At this point, Lovable may take a moment to analyze your application. Give it a little time to finish, and then review the list of MCP tools that it suggests automatically. These suggested tools are generated based on your app, so this is the point where you want to slow down and carefully check what has been identified. Now open each generated tool one by one and inspect it closely. Start by checking the tool name and make sure it clearly reflects what the tool is actually meant to do. Then read the description and confirm that it accurately explains the tool's purpose. You also want to verify that the action itself performs only the intended task and nothing more. Pay close attention to the required inputs and expected outputs as well, since those need to be correct for the tool to behave predictably when used. Just as importantly, confirm that no sensitive operations are being exposed by accident. After that, review the full list and decide which tools should remain available. Keep the ones you want AI assistants to access, and remove anything that should not be publicly available. If Lovable allows you to adjust descriptions or configuration options, refine them so the purpose of each tool is as clear as possible. Clear naming and clear descriptions make a big difference when these tools are used later. Next, review authentication and permissions before publishing. You'll want to confirm exactly who can use these MCP tools. Depending on how your app is configured, access can be limited to public users, authenticated users, or only paid or otherwise authorized users. Lovable uses OAuth by default for protected MCP access, which helps ensure that only approved users can invoke secured tools. Before you publish, test the tool list one more time. Make sure the generated tools still match your app's current functionality, confirm the descriptions are easy to understand, and double check that no internal or administrative actions are exposed unintentionally. If you've updated your app recently, it's a good idea to review the generated tools again before republishing. Finally,